What's up, everyone? My name is Taylor, and welcome to our Among Us show. Among Us is a murder mystery game, and today we have 6 contestants competing right here. Each contestant will randomly draw their role and then select their task. Once the game begins, they'll have 1 minute per round to complete their task while trying not to get eliminated. There will be 3 full rounds, and anything can happen. After the roles are drawn, we'll check in to see who might be the imposter. Now let's meet our participants.
Hi, my name is Kelsey, and I'm color blue.
My name is Sammy and I'm color black.
My name is Kenya and I'm color green.
My name is Ella and I'm the color pink.
Here are the tasks. Layla, cup stack, color match, set up black light, dodge the paper balls. Kenya, dodge the paper balls, jump through the hoop and make a shot. Log into a back computer, cup stack. Sammy, upload dice math, cup stack, dodge paper ball, sorting game. Shania, dice math, upload sorting game, color match. Kelsey, log into back computer, dodge the paper balls, upload, make a tune on the piano. Jeremiah, make a tune on the piano, sorting game, color match, set up backlight.
Okay, guys. Now I have to do my next thing. I have to dodge paper balls.
No.
Put on paper balls.
Man, y'all go up in there. Oh, there's none of you.
So I'm going to the gym. I see Jeremiah. He think I'm gonna kill him.
I'm recording my body.
He's definitely not gonna kill me. He's running away. I was coming out, and he was looking suspicious at me weird. Like,
Sammy was still up in there running for paper balls. When I see you, I back. If we was by ourselves, I could have went over there.
but it's a cooldown. It's a cooldown. Yeah, you can't kill guys back to back. So I have to go. Right. You don't know how Among Us works?
I really think it's Layla.
Layla been in here the whole time. Yeah.
Layla been in here the whole time.
She been here since I did my task.
Layla could have killed me.
Right. Layla could have killed me. She was in here by myself.
I'm voting Sammy. You the last one in the gym.
How you go from Layla to me?
I vote Jeremiah.
I was trying to circle my way back around
To go back in the gym?
to do my task.
To do your task?
I can't tell it, but I was in here the whole time, so I ain't seen nothing.
So you went in there to do your task, but then you ran out of here. How did? Huh?
I didn't run out. I literally
So Key in there, whatever, you in there doing your task, you walk out. He walk in while you're walking out, and he killed Kenya?
I walk out.
Right.
I see Sammy walking like he was right there. He said, "Hold on, I gotta come back out. I'm getting him balls."
Okay.
He run back in, and he called me the king. Kill King.
I was just in here with them. So what are you talking about?
I don't think it's like enough time for him like to get. I mean, yeah, he coulda, yeah, but
He was the only one out there with her before
Alright, we all vote.
anybody.
I vote you.
I vote you.
I can't say nothing.
So she skip vote. I vote Jeremiah.
Let's give votes.
Ready?
Yeah. Crewmate. Okay. Meeting over.
Let me get my task.
It's freaking Sammy. I can call a meeting. I can call a meeting. I can. Yo, he either finna. It's only. Wait.
I won. I won.
No way. Bro.
What did I told y'all? Y'all don't believe me, bro.
Bro, you look suspicious though. That's why I only voted you, because you was looking at me like I was gonna kill you or something. Like, I don't know, you was acting suspicious.
You said you gonna kill me.
What?
You just said you was gonna kill me.
Okay, I'm Kelsey. I'm the crewmate. I thought it was Jeremiah because he was acting suspicious. I seen him in the hallway. He was looking at me smiling, and then he ran off. And then as soon as that happened, Sammy called a meeting, and I'm like, okay, he got us to be suspicious, so I voted Jeremiah. But it was Sammy.
My name's Jeremiah. How I feel about the game is that, like, I don't think that I was supposed to be voted because I was coming out. I was coming out, and Sammy was going in, and it was very suspicious. It was very suspicious how you gonna call me there after you just get done killing somebody. Like, bro.
I was the second one to die. How I felt, I figured it was probably Sammy, but I didn't want to say nothing too quick, so I was stuck, so I skipped vote. Then I was the second one to die. We could have done better. I probably would have called a meeting, but it was a game, so good game, everybody.
So I feel like this team was very special in a good way. The crewmates was very special in a good way, They had their ups and downs. Some people didn't know how to stop smiling, especially Jeremiah. If he would have stopped smiling, I would have lost. But he just kept smiling. I don't know why. But yeah, though, like Layla, I ain't want to get her first because, all she do is laugh and smile. And you kill her, she's going to start laughing and smiling. And you might as well end the game. But Kelsey, I don't know. You get lie to her pretty easy. Yeah. Kenya, she should have got up out that gym. She wanted to sit there and do TikTok dances. I ain't gonna lie, somebody come in the gym that I feel suspect, I would have got up out of there.